So students, in general we can say that if a and b are the two integers, then a plus b is an integer. So we can say that the integers are closed under addition. Now if you take the examples for the subtraction, that means if you subtract the two integers, the result is again coming out to be integers. So in general we can say that if a and b are the two integers, then on subtracting again it is an integer. So integers are closed under subtraction. That means if you subtract the two integers, the result is also coming out to be an integer. Therefore they are said to be closure property, and addition and subtraction of integers follow closure property. Now we come to the next heading, commutative property. Now here we can see that if we add the two integers in whatever order we like the smaller number plus a bigger integer plus a smaller integer, the result is coming out to be same. Same thing if you take a negative integer and a positive integer, smaller integer plus a bigger integer, or a bigger integer plus a smaller integer, the result is coming out to be same. But the same thing is not observed in the case of subtraction. If you subtract smaller minus bigger or bigger minus smaller, the results are coming out to be different. So we can say that if a and b are the integers, then a plus b equal to b plus a, and the sum of two integers remains unchanged even if their places are interchanged, or we can say the order are being different, still the results comes out to be same. But is not the case same as in the case of subtraction. So the integers are commutative under addition. That means if you add the two integers, the result will be coming out to be the same. But if you subtract, the results are not coming out to be same. Therefore they are not commutative under subtraction. Now we come to the associative property. The associative property we explore in the case of addition and subtraction. Here in the associative property, what's the difference between commutative and associative? The commutative is only applicable for two integers. Here we may take more than two integers. And since you are taking more than two, so you have to place a bracket to tell the importance of which preference of the two integers you are going to take. Like if you see the example, here minus 2 plus minus 4 plus minus 7. Here they have kept the bracket between the first two integers, that is minus 2 and minus 4. And the bracket says that the BODMAS says that we have to solve the bracket first. So we'll solve it. We get minus 6 plus 7, and the result is coming out to be 1. Now I have changed the bracket order. Now I kept the bracket minus 4 and 7 between the last two integers. Again on solving, the result is coming out to be 1. So I can say that whatever the order of the bracket is getting changed, here I place the bracket between first and second integer. Here I place the bracket between second and third integer. So the result is coming out to be same.